Have you ever had arguments with characters while you were writing?
Yes, oh, yes.
Yeah.
Not very often, but
Mhm.
the most notable one was Lord of the Firelands, where I don't want to spoil it. There are still people buying that book, so gotta watch for spoilers. But at the end, I finished the book and put it aside because I always like to stay well ahead of my contract dates. And I picked it up again and read it through and thought it was fine until I got to the end. Oh, no, that's not good. So I rewrote the end. I rewrote it again. I think I rewrote it about 4 times. And finally, the character sort of stepped off the page and said, "Look, this is my story, and the way it has to end is this." And I said, "No, you can't do that. You're wrecking the whole series." And he said, "Damn it, this is my book, and that's how it's going to end." So I went for a walk in the snow and worked out how I could possibly tie it up in the 3rd book, because he was in the 2nd. And that's the way it had to be.
The character was right.